Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into fun and practical topic how to introduce yourself in English, especially if you're working in agriculture. In today's global job market, it's super important to communicate clearly and confidently. So, we'll be covering the basic of self-introduction along with some useful example tailored to the agricultural field. Ready to boost your skill and make a great first impression? So, let's get started. First material, we will discuss nonverbal language or gesture language. Here are some key tips. First, smile when you introduce yourself. Smiling shows a positive mood and make you seem more approachable. Second, stand or sit up straight. This shows you're confident, comfortable, and ready to enhance in conversation. It can also make you appear more confident than you might feel, and sometimes appearing more confident can actually help you feel more confident. And then shake hand. A brief, friendly handshake is a common way to greet someone. It can be done with almost anyone you meet, regardless of gender or social status. It is a great way to start an introduction, especially in a business setting. Maintaining a contact, but not too much. Keeping a contact during a conversation is seen as a sign of honesty, trust, and friendliness. It shows you're listening and interested in the discussion. But be careful not to start too long. Let your guests shift naturally from time to time. And remember to blink. So, if you feel nervous and can maintain a contact, try to looking at the person for headstand. It's more polite. And the next, how do you introduce yourself in English? So this is the step introduction yourself in work. First is stating your name. For example, like my name is Jonathan, I am John, or my name is Jonathan or John for short, and you can call me John. And if you want to ask the name your partner, after you stated your name, you can say, and what's your name? Or may I ask your name? Second step, stating your age. For example, like I'm 20 years old. Or how about you? Or I'm turning 20 this September. Third, nationally. You're from left and stay. For example, like I'm from Pekalongan or I come here from Pekalongan. I'm visiting Pekalongan. And the fourth step is starting profession. For example, you can say I work at or I'm working at. This is you can say your company or business name. I work as a occupation, your occupation like farmer or distributor product. Okay, that's last the material. Next, check it out. In the self-introduction material, the tense I use is the simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express ongoing condition or routine habits. This tense is often used to convey fact, habits, and routine that are generally true. In the context of introducing oneself and other, simple present tense help convey basic information and generally description. Proper use of the tense in self-introduction makes the information clear and direct, thus facilitating communication with others. Next, I give the task to make you understand about materials. After learning the material introduction, self and other, learners can practice it by following the instruction below. The first instruction is introduction yourself. Start with a greeting. Begin by saying hello or hi to establish a friendly tone. State your name. Clearly pronounce your name and spell it if necessary. Mention your role or position. Briefly describe your job, title or role in the organization. Add a brief introduction. Provide a short summary of your background or expertise relevant to the work setting. The second introduction, introducing other. Start with a greeting. Begin by saying good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to establish a professional tone. State the team member's name. Clearly pronounce the team member's name and spell it if necessary. Mention their role or position. Briefly describe the team member's job title or role in the organization. Add a brief introduction. Provide a short summary of the team member's background or expertise relevant to the work setting. Okay, That's all our material today and see you next time. Bye.